introduce you again. My name is Jessica, and you are?
I'm Mr. Eric.
Okay. It's nice to meet you, Mr. Eric. So, are you here for the holiday or are you staying here?
Living. Hillier. You know Hillier?
Air? Oh,
Hillier.
okay. So, ya dari Pak Erik ini, ya Bapak ini bernama Erik dan dia tinggal di Gili Air. Okay, so are you here alone? Or
I'm here with my girlfriend.
Oh, girlfriend.
Look, yeah.
Oh,
Pacar.
ya.
Pacarku ya.
Jadi Pak Erik di sini bersama dengan pacarnya, kekasihnya. Where are you from exactly?
I'm from Luxembourg,
Luxembourg. Where is that? Where's Luxembourg?
Central Europe,
Central Europe?
next to Prancis, Germany, Belgium. It's kecil, a small country.
Oh, okay, that's awesome. Jadi Pak Erik ini berasal dari Luxembourg, di dekat Prancis, ya.
Next to Prancis.
Yeah. Okay. So, how long have you been here in Lombok?
1.5 year.
1.5 years. So you're staying here?
Yes, living here.
Oke. Jadi Pak Erik ini sudah menetap di Lombok selama 1,5 tahun. So, well, if you're going to Matam, so are you living in Matam or are you just live in the
shopping.
Oh, so you went to the hotel or
I have a home
is it in Senggigi or
in di sini. Just come morning, di pagi, and then sore I go back to Bali.
oh you're going back to Bali or
To Gili Air.
Oh, Gili Air. Jadi Pak Erik ini ya sedang liburan ya, like having a holiday, sedang liburan ke Mataram dari tadi pagi, jadi nanti sore kembali ke Gili Air. So what makes you interested in to live in Lombok?
Lombok.
Yeah.
The weather, the people, the food, the beaches, the nature, culture, everything.
Okay. Jadi yang membuat Pak Erik ini tertarik mengenai Lombok itu dari cuaca, orangnya, dan ya alamnya juga gitu. So, did you happen to also watch MXGP or
What is that?
do you know what MXGP? No.
The Mandalika.
It's not in Mandalika. It was a few days ago, like
Was here di sini?
yeah, in the X airport in Selaparang. Yeah. It's near here, not in Mandalika. So you have
It's near Praia.
no, it's in Mataram.
Mataram?
It is in Mataram.
So a circuit of sepeda motor.
Something like that, yes. Also, you
Grand
didn't.
Prix.
Yeah. But have you watched like MotoGP here or no?
Mandalika, yeah. Last year.
Were you interested with that?
Why or if I'm interested?
Both ways.
Just curious, not really interested, but curious. Yeah.
Did you happen to go there with your girlfriend or
Yes.
were you? Oh, well, what are your thoughts like? What happens when what were your thoughts when you went there?
It was well organized, beautiful event, and it was nice to be entertained. You know, like going to the cinema. Oh, nice, enjoy. You know.
So you were enjoying it.
Yeah, exactly.
Jadi ya sebelumnya Pak Erik belum pernah nonton MXGP, tapi pas ke event MotoGP kemarin sempat pergi bersama dengan kekasihnya juga dan enjoy atau menikmati juga pertunjukannya seperti menonton teater gitu. What else would I ask? What about the culinary? What about the culinary in Lombok? I'm not literally a local here, but I know that some culinary here is pretty spicy. Do you like spicy food?
Not so much. No.
Not so much. So, what do you think about that?
Like it's too spicy.
It's too spicy.
Yeah. Spicy, but it's good. Most of the things are good. You know, the nasi, gado-gado.
Gado-gado.
That's good. It's enough.
Jadi untuk kuliner di Lombok, Pak Erik mungkin agak kurang suka ya, karena terlalu pedas. Tapi ya ada beberapa kuliner yang disukai oleh Pak Erik, contohnya seperti gado-gado gitu. But yeah, what about your girlfriend? What about the others that think about culinary?
You like it?
They like it. They like the spicy food.
You like spicy food, yeah. Very much.
Nah, untuk kekasihnya Pak Erik, ya suka juga dengan kulinernya di Lombok, suka dengan masakan pedas gitu. What else do I ask? Well, so have you been to other Gili islands like Gili Trawangan or Gili Meno?
Yes, already.
Was it interesting to you? Were they interesting to you?
Yeah, Gili Meno is good for relaxation, for snorkeling. Gili Trawangan more for party, meeting new people. You know?
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
jadi Pak Erik juga pernah ke selain di Gili Air, Pak Erik juga pernah ke Gili Trawangan dan Gili Meno. Itu bagus untuk Pak Erik menyukainya dalam lagi diving, menyelam, snorkeling dan berpesta gitu. What makes the three Gili Islands interesting to you? Like others,
There's no cars,
no cars,
no bikes,
no pollutions.
less pollution.
Less
because they
pollution.
burn plastic still. You know? That's not really healthy. But very quiet, very good for weather, beaches, and
Very,
for relaxation.
yeah, relaxations. Dan yang dari Pak Erik suka dari tiga Pulau Gili ini adalah ya lebih sedikit polusi gitu, cocok untuk relaksasi gitu. Yeah, and you mentioned earlier about snorkeling or diving, right? Well, have you been snorkeling in Lombok Island? And do you think that
Only around Gili, yeah.
Around Gili.
Not Lombok.
well, about the marine life, what makes you interested in the marine life in Gili Island? In the Gili Island.
It's very versatile, but it's still polluted, you know, because of
Still
the boats.
polluted.
Yeah, there's a lot of boats every
Oh.
day going under the boats, going for a snorkeling tour, you know, and they all run with oil,
But what about
gasoline.
But what about the fish? Like
Fish is a lot.
Fish marine life.
Beautiful turtles, sometimes sharks, reef sharks. You see,
is it like black tip, white tip sharks?
it's reef sharks. Yeah, I don't know if they have black tip or white tip, but they're reef sharks. Yeah, they're very not dangerous. Yeah, they're very
That
very
is
much
awesome.
safe.
So it is a safe place.
Yeah, safe place. Yeah, safe place. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Good.
Jadi tanggapan Pak Erik mengenai marine life atau kehidupan laut di Pulau Gili itu masih ada sedikit polusi seperti banyaknya kapal atau perahu, tapi ya sejauh ini ikan-ikan di sana menurut Pak Erik itu bagus gitu, cantik-cantik.
Yeah.
So if for 1.5 year living here, what do you think about Lombok? Like, maybe you can give some rates on
Some rates?
Yeah, some rates.
Main Lombok or just Madaram?
Main Lombok, perhaps.
I would say it's beautiful nature, still raw nature, not too much developed, you know, not too much touristic, which is good comparing to other islands like Sumba and Bali, you know, it's less touristic.
Like hidden gems.
Hidden gems, yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Beautiful volcano, Rinjani, and so on, waterfalls. Then maybe some places are still dirty, you know, because waste management is not well maintained. Because you see rubbish, they're burning still rubbish.
Oh,
Some roads need still to be done in some places, right? And some places it's hard to talk with Indonesian people because they don't talk English.
like English speaking skills.
Inggris ya, Indik bahasa Inggris ya.
Jadi ya penilaian Pak Erik secara umumnya tentang Pulau Lombok itu ya bagus-bagus saja. Cuma mungkin masih orang-orang lokalnya masih kekurangan skill dalam berbahasa Inggris, dan mungkin kalau di lingkungannya secara SDM masih banyak membakar sampah di ruang terbuka dan ya. And you mentioned about Sembalun earlier, so you have been visiting Sembalun
Sembalun ya.
or Rinjani?
Sembalun, yeah.
Oh, did you go camping there, or were you
Camping,
staying
yeah.
at the resort?
No, camping ya.
Camping for how many days exactly?
3 days.
3 days. Oh my God. So what are your thoughts about Sembalun or Senaro?
Really beautiful, nice. With a view, 360 degrees view of whole island. You see all the Gilis, Gili Islands, Gili Indah, Gili Asahan. No, it's called Asahan. Or it's called the other.
I'm not sure, but I'm
Yeah.
still also new.
Yeah. You're from which country? From which island? You from here?
I'm not
Natively from Lombok?
I'm not originated from here. I'm from Jakarta.
Jakarta.
Yeah.
Therefore, English is bagus.
Oh, really?
English, yeah.
Yeah, I'm actually an English literature student, so that's why. Yes.
Okay. So yeah, you see all the beautiful islands from there and nice nature, but still dangerous to hike up.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. If it's raining, it's very hard.
It's very
Yeah, slippery.
difficult.
Yeah, slippery.
Oke. Jadi Pak Erik ini juga sudah pernah berkemah di Sembalun, dan tanggapan dari Pak Erik juga bagus karena dapat melihat banyak pulau-pulau juga gitu dari atas sana gitu. Selama 3 hari Pak Erik berkemah di Sembalun. Udah berapa menit?
Oke.
Okay.
Terima kasih.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Enjoy the day. Mari nikmati sore.